Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to give a feedback in the Turkish Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then just scroll down and at the other section, click on the Customer Satisfaction Survey button. So first, please rate the experience in connection with the mobile application. And then just choose the one that applies to your experience on the mobile app. And then just leave any comments or feedback regarding the sections of the application. And then I selected the check-in, so here you can provide feedback if you want to, but then you can just give a positive review as well. And you can also upload a file, like if you did a screenshot or a video recording of a bug that you noticed, you can just upload that. And then that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.